Baga, dapili diri. Dapite. Ikaw na nag-video.
Ha? Video na rin ba?
Video na? Look at the highway, there's nobody around. Only four-wheel drive can drive on this winter, like was it snow? You wanna go to New York now?
No.
Huh?
I don't want to go to New York. You
What?
make me sick.
It's scared to drive to New York. I think you get a lot of snow in there.
When I go to New York, I feel sick. So don't drive us to New York.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
be sick.
I think we're gonna go to Ado. Let's see what happens. We're gonna buy something. Huh? Yes, I do. Yeah. Just turn yours. Slippery condition, redux fee. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, boy. Huh? Slow down? Okay.
Chuk!
Bilang mga bata.
Jordan!
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Jordan! Twing twing!
I think all the stores closed today though. Huh? Walmart's closed, McDonald's closed. Huh? Yeah. So you guys come back to school tomorrow?
There's no school tomorrow too.
Huh?
There's
You
no
don't know.
school tomorrow too.
So how many days you not go to school?
I don't know.
What your teacher say?
And there's no school on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Oh, okay. So you're not coming to go to school tomorrow then? This car's though is good for winter though if you got four-wheel drive, you know. This car is good for winter.
Not really.
You never get stuck.
Not really, Papa.
Why?
Sometimes it can be stuck when there's billions of snow.
Yeah, that's a lot. Remember we're
Because
going.
there are already billions of snow here.
Remember we're going to like 2 feet of snow. Still can move. Remember we're going to the 2 feet of snow.
I don't know. What's that?
2 feet of snow. It's still going. Never got stuck.
More like a jeep to me.
Huh?
More like a jeep to me. Jeep can never be stuck in the snow.
Talking about Jeep? What are you talking about?
The car that will never be stuck.
They get nobody around the highway though. I think everybody take a rest today.
Like last time?
Yeah.
Like last time the truck when he accidentally slipped.
Yeah, you seen that before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You posted it on Facebook, remember?
Yeah, I remember that.
It was the snowstorm. And
No,
it got
because some cars on the side of the road, right? He
the car
stopped.
was going too fast in the slippery
And then by the
road.
time he's coming, he don't know he don't realize that he had cars in the corner, and then when he stopped, it's like slip. Remember?
The car crashed the slippery road. Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, I can see everything. I can see this. This is the window. And I got this. And that's Lawrence. That's Inday. That's baby, right? And this is the chair.
Sleep, baby day.
Yeah. I see that the window, the baby. And then if I smash it together, I can't see everything.
One balloon.
Do you know where I work at though? Huh?
There, the factory thing.
Yeah.
Water. Right.
Yeah. I think you've been there before. I think you've been there. You've been there before now.
Yeah, the
We
one
didn't go
is
inside, but
Oh,
Yeah,
you just-
we did. We did. It was too it was too noisy, right?
Yeah, you know that.
no, we didn't go inside.
I did. We did.
That's why.
Right, Papa?
Yeah, that's why when you get inside there because that is
You
very
need
noisy.
earplugs.
You gotta get earplugs. Yeah.
What happened if you had no earplugs?
You gotta lose your eardrum because it's too noisy.
What's an eardrum? A drum from
Drums in
your ear?
Yeah, it drums in your ear.
Does it make sound like that? Ding.
No.
And what does it do?
Collect sounds, correct. you guys not to go to school tomorrow then? So you're coming back Thursday then? Or tomorrow, Wednesday, right?
Tomorrow is Wednesday, which is no school. Wednesday, we're going back in Thursday.
Alright. Regular day?
Yeah, it's a regular day. I don't know it's a half day anymore. That's Lawrence. That's me.
One bar naman.
That's Indoy. That's Lava. That's Lava. It's a Budado. In Wadado.
I work in there though. This is the place I work in though.
Huh?
That's the place, Clearwater Paper.
That's the one that you left?
Yeah.
Your water paper?
Yep.
That's your work?
And then I come back next week.
You work there?
Yeah, I
You work
there.
on the water forks?
Yeah.
To make what?
Make up paper.
Make papers?
Yeah, it's like
Oh yeah, I still remember. Some waters can also make papers.
Yep.
How can you make papers?
That's they call it.
Try to make it. Try to make it snow and then try to smack them.
You know the papers come from the wood, though? And they circulate it.
And then they put water on it to make it go.
Yes, yeah, correct.
Oh, I can really see now. Now I can see everything. I see Lawrence, that's Mama, that's Papa.
Go home.
That's
Yeah,
Lawrence, that's your Papa, that's your Papa,
No one's
that's
closed.
your
No one's open, though. I was gonna get something to eat.
What happens if you have no food in the winter? You'll die?
Then you do.
Oh yeah, why not?
At least you can be still alive. You know.
Or you suffer to death.
You know that's having. You know sometimes homeless people don't have food
Yeah, but the government helped them though.
unless they got money from a person. I
No, the government.
God
The
can
state
die.
helped them.
I know God can die. Yeah. Papa.
Yes.
Papa. I know God can die if they went to the winter. I can see everything. That's
What do you see there? Say it again, I don't understand.
Papa, that's it. Papa, that's
Yeah, say it loud. What do you say?
God can die when shut up.
Yeah.
Let's see. Shut up. See Mama. Let's see Papa. Let's see Baby. Let's see Inday. And that's V. Hi. Papa, how much paper did you make? 150.
Depends when the machine's running good.
How much paper did you make?
Depends.
150.
We made about like my machine. We made about like
150.
it's like 20.
Wow, what
It's
do
like
you do?
20,000 pounds for 8 hours.
Papa, what do you do when you're inside your job? What do you do when you're inside in the job? What do you do? Make papers. That's it? By your
Yeah.
own?
I make paper.
By your own?
Yeah, somebody helped me out.
I thought the machine can make the paper.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's computerized. So all I do, I just sit that computer. Like what depends what kind of paper the company order it.
Oh.
So I gotta make the paper.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So if they want diaper or they want toilet paper or any kind of paper, we can make. But all the paper is different grade.
A
You know-
wallpaper? A wallpaper. It's a wall. Do you know what's a wallpaper?
Wallpaper is it?
Yeah. You know what's that?
Yeah, the wallpaper. Yeah.
It's like a decoration for your wall.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. So probably tomorrow then we're gonna go in here.
Huh?
If you want to. Here.
Right here?
Wake up park. Remember a lot of people like those kids over there? Like sliding stuff. See?
Dekat tahu dong.
See a lot of people. See that?
I wanna go.
But the thing is, you need a board. We gotta buy a board
I don't wanna go.
at Walmart.
I don't
Yeah,
wanna
but yeah, but Papa.
No, you gotta get.
Si
what?
Papa, si Kuya has one.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
See, Jacob and Jacob have some.
Oh really?
There's one more thing.
I think we had that one before.
They have pretty ones.
That was
You
fun.
got the sled?
Yeah, I think so. I think Papa bought that one before. Remember?
This is the same house that we went. This is the same house that we went. And this is the one when I got lost.
Yeah, I remember that. He was crying like a little baby, right?
Yeah. This is the one that you were getting married?
Yeah, remember that? Yeah,
That was awful.
me and your mom.
See, Mama was crying. Why? Because he was getting birth. He's getting pregnant.
Oh yeah, no, huh?
And so Tristan was crying.
Dudung. Tu Kak
Love
Lorenz.
Mama. Love Mama.
You're so
Look at the highway though. There's nobody around. I don't understand. A lot of people scared driving in snow.
It's because they might go like this.
No, Papa, they're busy.
Papa,
Yeah, but
Papa.
our country though in the Philippines, even like they get like a category
Oh yeah, Lorenz.
4.
He was
Hurricane?
making his boogers. Oh,
They don't
he's doing
scared.
like that.
They want to take a look at it.
Just he's
Lorenz.
doing like that to his nose.
Ayaw. Mama.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Probably Step and Shop's closed too.
Yeah. Yes. Everything is cool.
Look at that. This really small tires.
I thought you said si Jordan was right on that. I thought si Jordan said he was right on that. Oh, really? Yeah. No. Actually, I don't want to
Huh?
try that
Look
one.
at the
I got a
moment.
new thing that I want to try. What?
Dito taas kay.
Called
Makita
the ugliest dump truck in the world.
Which one?
The smallest dump truck in the world, I meant. This is about this time. Your head will poke up. And then this. Yeah! I'm just kidding, guys. You still remember when TBB was watching the thingy, the Mini Cooper? You still remember the roof when he took off the roof? The top thing. This is what you call a roof, right, Papa?
What do you call it?
A roof.
Yeah, what about the roof then?
Huh?
What about the roof?
You can take it off if it's a toy, right?
Yeah.
Like the Mini Cooper. That's the baby one.
See, there are a lot of snow.
Then why do you like this song? Mariana, little lamb, but little lamb. This one is my favorite.
Let it go.
What are you doing?
See, Papa, Jeep cannot. See, Papa, Jeep cannot My teacher!
Sa
Huh?
Stefan
She
Shop
was
day.
my teacher. She was my teacher.
Sheesh?
She is my teacher.
Sa Stefan Shop today.
Oh, you met Mrs. No, Leonardo. No, Leonardo. What
Look
is
at
it?
Oh, that's the one that step and shop day?
Yeah.
Oh, Chinese
She was
food
my
open.
teacher.
Nobody buy today, man.
And she saw me before. She was like, what's her name? I don't know. I keep forgetting her name. I saw her in Model. I saw her in Model.
Yeah, we see. I think that the one you saw her in step and shop there, right?
You know when it's the end of the day, you sign it and you see her, Papa.
Yeah.
Last time I saw my teacher before, in Buck Hill
Look at
Mall,
them.
right,
They got a
Papa?
lot of fallen snow though. That's a lot. You
I'm gonna
can
go sled.
you can go on the top though, and then when you go to the top,
Ito kay
Careful,
Long.
Papa. This is what happened.
you drop down.
Actually, not really. Yeah, look. If you wait for a long time in there, you will
Look at it.
run to
No.
Mom, gee.
Isa yun.
That's what you call drift, right, Papa?
Yeah, he
Drift.
just fling around.
What
Look
happened?
at him.
What happened?
He just fling around.
Look, look.
Nalo yun ay. Ba naman.
Oh, she was sledding.
And now he just fling
She was
around.
laughing.
And now he playing around.
And playing around. Yeah.
The step on shop is open, right?
Yeah? Yeah.
No.
Only the thingy when you trash in. That's the one.
No. So
Hey,
yun.
Papa, I told you.
Take a video with that. Take a video.
Go faster.
I-open rin. I-open kami.
I know vans are very good, but
Asa?
jeeps are very good drifters.
Right there.
Wow. Jeeps are very good drifters in the snow.
Pero dagat oh.
Wow. They drift. But they're bad at snow.
Kuan magi na manitir.
Everybody knows how to do a drift. How you do it? Go fast, then both feet on the brake in the rover. Pull, and then turn. You go faster.
Huh?
I want to go home.
You wanna go now?
Yes.
Where are you going now?
Let's go. They're coming. They're coming. They're going to the house.
Kita dah eh. Di ko kita.
And then this. Roaming around.
Yeah, roaming around.
Let's go faster.
I thought the jeep's good. When the
They
snow,
are.
but he gets, look at him, this kid.
Oh yeah, be careful. When there's a traffic light and then it turns red and you use the brake and then you might do a spin drift, right?
Yeah,
You might knock into someone's house and you will be in trouble, right? What happened if we buy a Mini Cooper? The 4 doors.
Yeah, Mini Cooper is no good for this.
Unless it has the bulldozer thing.
See, look at them. They try to go up. The van?
My teacher.
They try to go up there in the hill, but he won't make. He won't make it. All they do is just back up.
That's my teacher. The easiest way is to go there. Right, Popo?
Yeah,
No,
no,
kid, no, don't
easy way to go over there, around, right there, but not on the